There's never been a better time to start an online business than right now. But most people don't know where to start. At Shopify, we believe that anyone, anywhere in the world can be an entrepreneur.
But we also know that building a business can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. So we're making it simple, with actionable advice that takes the guesswork out of starting and growing an online business.
Learn with Shopify is a YouTube channel for small business owners with big plans.
Each week, we'll bring you step-by-step coaching from industry experts on everything from generating business ideas, finding winning products to sell, marketing strategies and tactics, and advice on business finance, operations, how to build a brand, plus so much more.
There's nothing more satisfying than that independence that comes from starting your own business. But just because you're doing it yourself doesn't mean you have to do it alone. The most successful entrepreneurs have one thing in common. They prioritize learning.
Subscribe to Learn with Shopify today, and let's get started building your business.